Hello children, welcome to Pragati School channel. Today we are going to start new chapter in 10th standard part 1 textbook. The chapter is pair of linear equations in two variables. Again let us repeat, pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, first let us understand what is this linear equation. We have studied in previous class 9th standard about linear equation. We take an example and see why it is called a linear equation. Okay, so the example is like this: 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Now, let us say this is a linear equation. Why we say this is a linear equation? Very simple. When this is plotted in a graph, we get a straight line. Linear line. So, 2x plus 3y equal to 7 is a linear equation. So, we understood the meaning of linear equation. In two variables, which are the variables? X is a variable, y is a variable. So, for this chapter, this portion you will understand linear equations in two variables. This is a linear equation, two variables. When this is drawn in the graph sheet, we get a straight line. I hope you have understood now the meaning of linear equation. Next, let us go to another part of this. Pair. Pair means two. We have only one equation. And we are going to add one more equation to this, then it is called pair of linear equations. 5x minus 2y equal to 8. 5x plus 5x minus 2y equal to 8. Now, we have linear equations in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Linear equations, we have two. First linear equation, second linear equation. Therefore, we call it as pair of linear equations. I hope you have understood the meaning of pair of linear equation. Therefore, I will write this pair, P-A-I-R. Pair of linear equations. So, this is the meaning of this chapter. So, in this chapter, we are going to study when we draw this, we get a straight line. When we plot this, we get a straight line. That means we will have two straight lines. So, what are the things we study in this chapter? When we draw these two straight lines, what type of lines, straight lines we get? We may get straight lines intersecting like this. Okay? And we may get straight lines parallel like this. Parallel lines. Or we may get straight lines which is lying one on the other. Okay? This is called behavior of straight lines. This we are going to study. Then after that, we are going to study solution, that is solving of this linear pair of linear equation. This linear equation, when you solve, you will get two values because there are two variables. X is one variable, y is one variable. Here x is one variable, y is one variable. When you solve this equation, you will get one value for x and one value for y. Okay, this when we solve, you get x value as 2 and we get y value as 1. See, both equations will satisfy x value 2, y value 1. How we got it? That we are going to see in the next steps, that is when we take solution of pair of linear equations. Okay, now we have general form of linear equation. General form of linear equation. General form of linear equation. Let us see how to write this linear equation in the general form. So, general form is like this: ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is called general form of linear equation. And in this general form, what are the terms that we have? Here we have a, here we have b, and here we have c. These a, b, c, they are real numbers. A, b, c are real numbers. They are real numbers. So, a over b over c over. What is left? X is left, y is left. What is this x and y? X and y are called variables. X comma y are variables. X comma y are variables. Suppose if an equation is given, if a linear equation is given, you must be in a position to identify what is the value of A, what is the value of B, what is the value of C, and which are the variables. Okay. So, in the equation, we are going to find the values of A, B, C and variables. Now, let us take this problem. In each of the following, find the values of A, B and C. Okay, A value, B value, C value. Now, we will take one equation. First question we will take. 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. In this, we should find the value of A, B and C. A value, this is A value. We write 2. B value, this is B value. It is 3. C value, it is minus 9. Now, let us take the next problem. Next equation. Second equation. 7x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the value of A, 7. This is the value of B. Now we should be very careful. B value is minus 5. C value is 4. Next equation. Third equation. 3x minus 7y equal to 5. This you should be very careful, because this is not in the given general form. Plus 5 equal to 5, they have to transfer it. Now, this is the value of A. No discussion. Easy. This is the value of B. Minus 7. 5 should be before equals. Since 5 is after the equals, plus 5, bring it to left side. It becomes minus 5. Therefore, C value is minus 5. I will put a question mark here. You should think why we have written minus 5. Okay. Next, another equation we will take. Fourth one. Minus 5x minus 9y equal to 7. Look at this. What is the value of A? This is minus 5. The value of B, minus 9. Again, this is like this. After equals, we have the number. This is not in the standard form. Bring this 7 to left hand side, plus 7 when you bring it to left hand side, it becomes minus 7. So the C is minus 7. Again, I will put a question mark. You should think why we have written minus 7. Next, another equation we will take. Fifth equation. 4x minus 3y equal to minus 7. Now again, this is the value of A. This is the value of B, minus 3. Now C value should be before equals, but C is after equals. So this is minus 7. Bring minus 7 to left hand side, it becomes plus 7. Therefore, C value is plus 7. Again, I will put question mark. Why? These two I did not put question mark because very simple. Minus 9, minus 9. Plus 4, plus 4. Here we have plus 5. We have written minus 5. You should think like that. Okay, children? So, in this way, you can write number of equations and find the value of A, B and C. So that whatever you have learnt in this video will be permanent. Okay. Now, we will continue in the next video. If you have any questions, you can send message to my number 9916675060. Let us see in the next video. Thank you.